This video shows a kitchen in Italy where the macerator and dewatering units have been split into two different rooms. The food waste is separated at source. It is then fed into the macerator unit in the kitchen. The food waste travels through the piping in the ceiling to the room where the dewatering unit is. The macerating unit can be operated from either side. The food waste and water goes into a holding tank that has a mixer to keep the food waste from settling in the tank. When the tank level reaches 25%, the dewatering unit automatically switches on. The output water can be collected in a mobile tank for watering the gardens. The macerated and dewatered food waste is now ready for composting.
Let's take a closer look at the approach suggested. The food waste, including preparation waste, produced by the catering establishment, is fed into a specially designed freestanding hopper, where the food waste is ground and automatically pumped and conveyed by a water flow through dedicated pipework to a temporary storage tank, generally located outside the kitchen area. The tank incorporates a mixer, driven by a motor, which stirs the ground waste and water mixture to keep it homogeneous. The fill level of the tank is managed through the incorporation of a special pressure transducer, combined with a PCB, whilst an overflow pipe and drain valve are incorporated in case of emergency. Before the tank reaches full capacity, a special pump drains the homogenized ground waste and water mixture through a self-cleaning dewatering apparatus, which forces out the excess liquid from the ground waste through the combined action of a special auger and a fine stainless steel screen. Whilst the gray water is fed directly to drain, the resulting solid fraction of the food waste is hygienically collected and stored in lidded bins, ready for onward environmentally sustainable disposal. This approach reduces waste collection costs by up to 80%, as the on-site system reduces the food waste volume by up to 80% and associated weight by up to 60%.